All right, well, I gotta go kind of quick. So long story short, I woke up late. I'm supposed to be going on a guided goose hunt this morning. I got the phone call from the buddy. He called me, he was like, hey bro, where are you? And I said, on my groggy state, I said, what do you mean? He said, guided goose hunt. And I was like, oh frick, I overslept. So I've got to like load up everything real quick right now, load it up into the truck, head over to my buddy's house, pick him up, and jam out to the spot. But stay tuned, we're going on a guided goose hunt today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. Down, baby. He's coming back. Yes.
If you guys are on the end, if you don't mind running and grabbing them.
Okay.
There's a walker.
Yeah, take a gun if there's a walker. And
it sat down.
Our guns, let me know.
Sat down.
Good job, guys.
Where'd the other one go? Where are we stacking?
Just right up front. Or just on,
Okay. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
They're all dead?
Yeah. Floating in, floating in. Good shooting, boys.
Nice shooting, Jacob.
Good shooting. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
BeardedBushes.com.
Hey, yo.
Big pack right over the top. Big pack. Yeah, I got the blue.
You got the blue? Got the blue, baby. Woo!
Got the blue. Right over the top, big flock over the top, load up. hard though, maybe. Big pack might drift over the top.
Over the back, over the back. Yep. We got one. Jeez. That sucked. Yeah. Let him slide, let him slide. Dang.
Down.
Down. Gosh, those floated so perfect. I know, they're so perfect.
Explain something to you. Specs floating like that is your O face.
Yeah, you're like, oh.
I love it.
Yes, sir.
Gotta go in the pool house.
I'll have to shoot him as if
Oh man, I freaking poofed that one, but he did not go down. Yeah. Got to put more of a lead on them when they're scooting like that, I guess, because I watched it just poof out of his butt. Those specs right there. I think there's two and then one sailed.
We'll get the sailor later.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Huh? Another band? Yeah, boy!
I went and got it.
Wow!
heck yeah.
Another band.
Dude.
Hey, haven't had one goose band all year. Now two in one day.
I got the first 3 specs we killed too on my camera. Dude, you crush it.
Yeah.
Pull up, I shoot over the top of it, and you just see your wad can pull it. Come on, hold them. And then you see Alex just pull the other one. Out front. Swinging right. I lost him.
Did you hear how close they were?
Yeah, they were close.
I didn't know where they were.
Yeah,
Or like right in the kill hole.
Yeah, I think you guys could have had a shot. I don't know if we would have. I seen the bars.
Right here, right here.
Yeah, baby!
Wow, those came out of nowhere. Yeah.
Figures, I have no.
Go down. He landed.
Here comes another one.
He landed. He landed in the decoys. Oh, he's up. He's up. He's up. Coming this way.
Can't hear it. Can't hear it. Keep going.
Hey. Hey.
He's coming. He's coming.
Ooh, I got that last one. Ooh, I smoked that last one. Way over the chest. Dude, I shot at 3 different birds.
Nope, it's coming back, coming back, coming back. A whole group, whole group.
Bro. I missed pretty bad too. I hit one, but
Back that way sucks, my eyeball.
yeah. You have to like lead them towards us. Okay.
Got a flapper walker right there.
Okay, so we're gonna do the band game. So we're gonna do, you're all gonna pick a number, and whoever's the closest to the number, and then I'll tell you how the second part works. But let's start picking numbers. So Jeremy set the trip up, so you're first. And we're gonna go for the white first. We'll do the blue second. 0 through 9.
3.
3. Okay? 7. Junior. 4. 3, 7, 4. 8. 9. 5.
I guess I'm stuck with 2.
And he's stuck with 2. Okay, Junior. 1 through 4 from right to left. Just tell me 1 through 4. Guess. 1. Just give me, say 1, 2, 3, or 4. Third number from the right to the left. 1, 2. You said 3? 2.
Ayo! Snow band, baby! You!
All right. Here you go.
This is the one everyone
We'll go
wants.
back through. Go ahead. First number. You want first or last?
Oh, no, that's fine. I'll go.
last.
8.
8.
1.
8, 1, 3. 8, 1, 3. 6, 4, 5.
8.
8.
Oh, you said 8. What's the number left?
9.
9 or 2
Or 0.
or 0?
2.
2? Okay. Pick the first or second number from the right to the left.
No, 1 through 4.
Last number on the band? What'd you say?
I don't even fucking remember.
You said 2.
What'd you say?
8.
It's 9.
No one said
9.
9.
I picked 8.
Yeah.
Yeah! I shot anyways on the shot cam. It's on the shot cam. Never lies, baby. Shot cam never lies.
Banded blue, baby.
Wow. Well, just got back home after what was an absolutely epic day. Man, I just gotta say, huge shout out to James Stone. He was the guy that we went out today. There was an extra seat in the guided goose hunt today I got invited on, and man, it was a blast. Elite Sportsman, MEN, was the guide service that we went out with today. He's a good buddy of one of our buddies, and we got to hunt their 8-man dry field pit blind, and it was a blast. The wind, like you probably heard, was blowing like 30 up to 45 miles an hour today, so the geese didn't give it up. They could have. I mean, if it were perfect conditions, we probably would have shot 100 birds today. That didn't happen. We had about 25 birds hit the ground underneath our barrels. The real special thing about today was the 2 bands that we shot. Man, it was pretty cool. Both me and Wade were able to claim both the bands in the blind. Wade shot a blue goose with the band, and I shot a snow with the band. The really cool part about it is both those birds were banded in the same area 13 years ago. So those guys have been flying from Alaska down to here for 13 years and haven't been shot, but they met Wade and Caleb and met their demise. So that was a blast. Huge shout out to James Stone, man. It was a freaking blast to be out there slanging heavy loads at white geese. If you guys want to get on a guided hunt with him, he is super reasonable, and seriously, like, one of the easiest going guys out there, man. We were just hooping and hollering all day in the blind, but I'll leave his stuff down below if you guys want to check him out. Super reasonable guy. But yeah, it was a fun day. Long story short, we shot 25 birds out of us and had a good time out on the dry field. On the way back in, we ended up throwing a belt, a track on his tracked Ranger, and so we spent like 2 hours trying to beat that thing back on. So, you know, that's how duck hunting goes, man. It's like something's bound to go wrong when things go right. But if we didn't shoot a single bird and only shot those 2 bands, that would have been worth it. You guys that are elite waterfowl hunters know how rare a banded goose is here in California, or a blue goose is here in California, let alone a banded blue goose. So it was a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when videos like this come out. And remember, any cast can be a giant. Peace!